Do you still want your sunshine and vitamin D and fresh air in the winter? Let me show you something. Out here in the country with a lot of farmlands around, we have very strong wind, and they come whipping across my front porch in the middle of the summertime with rains and hail and branches and leaves and you name it going through the air. That also includes snow and sleet in the wintertime. So this year, I am wrapping the front porch to make a human greenhouse that will block the wind and allow the sunshine to come in on any sunny days so we can still get that vitamin D. This is the same technique I use for my chicken pen in the winter time. Again, to block out the wind and allow the sun to come in so they don't have to waste energy staying warm and can use it more toward egg laying. Let me introduce you to the wiggle wire system. If you order it online, it comes in a long box like this. And inside are tracks and the actual wiggle wire. Kind of cool looking, huh? The wiggle wire goes inside this track, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. You'll want to fasten the track to whatever structure you're using. You can either drill holes. I like to drill them on either end and toward the center, or you can drill them every couple inches. That's up to you. It's still very secure. I here am using zip ties, which is just fine for these purposes, and I don't have to actually drill screws. And the metal is lightweight enough that it bends very easily without making sharp corners. I've got tracks on the bottom and this top rail. Here you can see I fastened it coming around the corner. I fastened it there, and it doesn't matter that it's sticking out. The wire goes right over it. So after you put your tracks on, then you want to lay your plastic over the top and decide where you want it to hang. And the next fun is putting the wiggle wire inside the track. This is so simple. You can see I'm doing it with one hand. And it goes over the top of things that are in the way. So as you put your wiggle wire in, you're just you're moving it back and forth, making sure that your plastic is nice and tight and straight. These are the same tracks that they use for greenhouse plastic. So you can use greenhouse plastic instead of these shower curtains, and that's all up to you. It's just that greenhouse plastic is a little bit more expensive, and I don't necessarily want to spend a lot of money on this project. This system is great though because it doesn't puncture the plastic at all. And so you can reuse the plastic if you wanted to do that. And just like the track goes around the corner easily, the wire goes around the corner as well. Pro tip, make sure the plastic hangs over the edges of the structures that you are putting it on. So when the wind blows, it presses against them and keeps that water out. I put one curtain on the east side and 2 curtains on the west side, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Ooh, it's warmer in here already. This has been Tammy Lowe, the Lazy Northern Gardener. I help busy people like you grow beautiful food gardens for humans and for pollinators.